So it was a turnover down, says the Saints missed the field goal try from 40 yards out. And now they have to hand it over to the Colts, who are winning 21-14. This is a situation where the Saints had the opportunity where they were at the 18-yard line of the Colts, had their back against the wall, and wasn't able to produce and take advantage of their field goal percentage. Now they are at basically playing defense, trying to stop a team that's been hot in this game. Let's take it down to the field. And up to, fullback, he busted loose. He's hit, but he breaks free, and he's hit at the 50. He's hit pretty hard there, but he holds on to the ball, and that is a second down and about 3 yards to go.